Good afternoon, Jagan Mamaya. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am K. Sai Sarinya. I am studying in 10th class in JPP High School, T. Gannavaram. I am very proud to say that I am studying in this government high school, and I am very happy that you have came to our school. My father is a tailor and my mother is a housewife. I joined in this school in class 8. Now I am in class 10. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the government schemes towards education sector that have been taken by our Jagan Mamaya. School education, like so many aspects of modern life, open a new world of opportunities for all of us. In this aspect, as we came from poor families, we face a lot of problems to achieve school education and not to reach the goals of our life. But soon after, Jagan Mama came as CM of Andhra Pradesh. Every student joyfully completed their school education in government schools to achieve quality education. Really, such a wonderful schemes have been implemented every year by our government. One of the such wonderful scheme is Jagananna Vidya Kanuka. Today, every student take his Jagananna Vidya Kanuka kit with textbooks and really a very useful dictionary, in addition to notebooks, 3 pairs of uniform, a pair of shoes, 2 pairs of socks, belt and school bag. Another gem of schemes like Amma Vadi, Jagananna Vastra Deevana, Jagananna Vidya Deevana, Jagananna Gormudda, Nadu Nedu, introduction of English medium, fees reimbursement, YSR Kantavelgu and many more. No one did like this in education sector even before. They are very, very useful programs to develop poor people through education sector. A beautiful saying by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Education is only the weapon to eradicate poverty of a family and achieve social respect. Our Jagan Mama also thinks about the equality of the people of Andhra Pradesh and focus his entire valuable time to implement such gem of schemes in educational sector. Secondly, I would like to speak about the Manabadi Nadu Nedu scheme, which is a Kohinoor diamond to the students. No doubt at all, as today all the government schools and colleges developed with a lot of infrastructure, hygienic toilets, innovative classrooms, labs, purified drinking water, electrification and attractive wall paintings. Our Honorable Jagan Mamaya appointed the Ayas to look after the clean environment and hygienic toilets. The roads are very convenient to attend the schools. I would like to say thanks to our Jagan Mama as served the nutritious and delicious food like eggs, chickpeas, khichdi, biryani and leafy vegetables. In this pandemic situation, our Jagan Mama provided the dry ration also by his scheme Jagananna Gormudda. This app is another wonderful and useful program for every girl child, and it will protect women like a brother. All the students of Andhra Pradesh are fully satisfied with the entire schemes. Being a student, not only we got educational benefits, my family also benefited in as so many benefits like YSR pension. Every month my father getting 3,000 rupees as a physically handicapped person. YSR Arogyasri is my father got eye operation by this scheme with free of cost, and my mother got two times Amma Vadi and sanctioned 15,000 every year by his account. With this amount, we purchased a mobile phone for online classes during the COVID time. And like this, many benefits our Jagan Mama has been done. And finally, I am very thankful to our Jagan Mama for his entire schemes. Generations may come, generations may go, but Jagan Mama is in every heart of the student, as like his father, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Garu. Thanks for giving this great opportunity. Thank you one and all. Jai Jagan Mamaya, Jai Jai Jagan Mamaya.